are so excited we were able to celebrate one of our outstanding kindergarten teachers, Miss Marjorie Manning. She was surprised and recognized as one of the 5 finalists for the HEB Award for Excellence in Education.
I thought we were all just dressing nicely and celebrating our students. So yes, very pleasantly surprised. I'm appreciative of HEB for always shining a spotlight on education and supporting public education through grants, through awards like this, just general donation of supplies. I feel like HEB is somebody that always has teachers' backs. And I'm just flattered to be among the ranking of, I know, many other amazing teachers.
I was surprised because I know it's such a huge honor, but was I surprised that Mrs. Manning was receiving that honor? Absolutely not. She so well deserves it. She spreads kindness all around. That's one of her huge things, is being kind to everyone. So a lot of the things that we've started on our campus have originated with her and in her classroom.
She lets us have fun and learn. She teaches us everything that we were not learning, so we can get more smarter.
I think that kindness is something that the world can never have enough of, and I think that learning it from such a young age, I think kids are innately kind, but I think the more that we focus on these lessons and teach them SEL, have them practice these things and apply them, really I'm hoping that adults take note of how we can really and truly change the world just by spreading kindness and encouraging each other's.
Marjorie, we're so very, very proud of you. You represent Patsy Sommer very well. You are super kind, and you are just a role model to everyone.